Embark on a journey with THEDG-300MB portable power station, your eco-friendly companion for a sustainable future. With a robust R96WH capacity and 300W AC output peaking at 500W. What caught my eye? The 11 versatile outlets, a symphony of sustainability. 2 AC outputs, 4 DC ports, 2 USB-A ports, ONE USB-QC30 port, 1 Type-C port. Recharge it in 3 eco-conscious ways. Through a wall outlet, 3 hours. Your car socket, 3 hours. Or bask in the sun's glory with a 120W solar panel, 34 hours in full sunlight. Compact and lightweight. Safety is paramount. And THEDG-300MB takes the lead. Certified by ETL, MSDS, RoHS, PSE, and AN 38.3, it embodies the principles of a sustainable lifestyle. The BMS system, MPPT controller,